Construction worker taken out while carrying out repairs to his car. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links W7 TV News Report. The Trelawny police are probing the taking out of a construction worker who was sprayed with gunshots by unknown assailants on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Kevin Price of Warsaw, Trelawny. According to the Corporate Communications Unit (CCU) in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and this is the communication arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF), at about 8:55 p.m., Price was conducting repairs to his motor vehicle along the Dutch Hill Main Road in Trelawny when he was pounced upon by gunmen. The assailants fired several shots, hitting him multiple times. The residents called the police, who upon arrival found him suffering from multiple gunshot wounds to his upper part of his body. He was assisted to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. No motive has since been established for this latest shooting in the Trelawney area. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.